Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome to another video on the Elite Capital channel. And those of you guys who are watching off of IGTV, welcome to you guys as well. This is CEO Aman, the founder of Elite Capital, and I kind of want to do a breakdown of this fire trade that I called on Friday. 50 pips short on GBPJPY, as you guys can see on my screen. Crazy drop that we counted in my signals, if you want to see right here, sell GBPJPY, boom, 50 pips, all TP smashed. I took a buy, I closed TP1 on that, and then I went short. So I'm kind of going to explain as to why I kind of started seeing sells in the market. So let's start off on GBPJPY off of the weekly time frame, right? I like doing a higher time frame analysis to kind of start and give you guys a little bit of an insight of higher time frame structure. Okay, so basically this is the weekly chart on GJ right now. The weekly chart continuously, we broke these highs and we kind of came back into the range. We needed a formation of a higher low. Although the weekly was forming a bullish engulfing, we had rejected the 8 SMA. So then I go into my daily time frame. So the daily time frame, I could see over here that we are kind of finding resistance in the market. 154.250 candles are closing beneath that. It's also a quarter point in the market. So based off of that, I saw that market, it came up, it retested this area right here. Also, from a Fibonacci standpoint, you can also say that it was a really close 61.8 play as well to the downside. It could also be a fib short. Now going into the 4 hours time frame, I had seen that this resistance was rejected. Now on the 1 hour, I see that, okay, so we had consolidation right here during Asian. I kind of mapped out my range right here. We did break out of the range. There was a money cube on the 30 minute on the left side. As you can see, this is a breaker block. We came into the breaker block, rejected that area, and then we went short. So after we went up into the market, broke out of the range, I was noted of the area on the left. Like I had known that, this area market has high potential for it to turn around. That's why when I called the buy, it was a TP1, stops to break even, obviously closed to 50%, and basically price started running back down. So that was further indication for me that, okay, so the breaker block is being counted, and now we can run to the downside. Also, from a support resistance standpoint, it was also a resistance right here at 154.450, and price kind of started traveling down. So once we started breaking the 8 SMA on the 30 minute, I was like, okay, so we could go short on here. It could either be one scenario that I could take sells beneath this candle at 240, or I could be patient and wait for the support to break. So these sells kind of happen really fast. We got a bearish 15-minute engulfing candle to the downside. We have the 8 and the 65 crossing over. Basically, we broke through this support, and I had seen that, okay, so on the 5-minute, there was this small minor level right here at 154.124, and I had seen that, okay, yeah, we're breaking that area. And the next candle, I waited for the wick to form, I waited for the next candle, and I went short on this for 50 pips. Like, this is a really crazy move. Also, I had seen on the 15-minute that we have equal lows in the market right here. So I had known that, okay, so price has to come down. There's liquidity trapped right here. And obviously price dumped 100 or so pips from my entry. It was one hell of an entry. Rejected this area over here, 152.550s, and kind of coming up for a retest. So now kind of what I see for a GJ for this upcoming week is basically we are going to play around this area. This support is going to be turned into resistance, 153.480. On the 15-minute, we can also see that we are underneath the 65 and 8 SMA. We're getting ready to cross over, so we might be able to get somewhat of a long. I would want to see a long into 153.950 at this little money cube right here, but who knows how this market will set up this week. Obviously, we are entering holiday season markets and quarter four movement. Thanksgiving Day is coming up as well, so market's going to consolidate a lot, and you got to be very careful. This whole drop, there was also a little bit of fundamental on this. So as you guys can see, Japan, they unveiled a $490 billion stimulus. It's probably the most highest stimulus they've ever did. It's like record breaking in their history. So it's crazy how the yen was able to gain so much strength right there off of that. Basically, now if we do a retest on the higher time frame, I still see GJ coming down into 151,750 overall. As you can see, there is a daily money cube zone. But yeah, that's about it for this breakdown for this trade. I'm going to be posting more breakdowns throughout the few weeks. Markets are going to slow down, so obviously I'm not going to be trading that heavy, but I'll still be trading every day. And my Learn and Earn is currently on promotion for $120. As you can see, the signal was given in Learn and Earn. It includes the exclusive and the courses and the daily Zooms and stuff, so get plugged in. If you have any questions about the lifetime, that's also on Black Friday promotion for $9.99. So get with that. It includes one-on-ones with me and also access to the full course. So if you have any questions, reach out to the Elite Capital Instagram or my personal Instagram, and we could get that sorted. But other than that, this is about it for this video. I'll catch you guys later.